Hello everybody, I'm Mint. Today I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lightings inside your Mini. For a start, let me close the door and start the engine. This is one of the most frequently asked questions about the Mini, and that's why I'm creating a separate video from the 40 videos that I've done to show my customers how to maximize the use of the Mini. You notice your ambient lighting has gone back to its factory settings when you use your spare key or after a servicing. It's kind of like Taylor Swift saying that her hair has gone back to factory settings during her concert in Singapore. You will notice there is a white light on the left, and when you rev, it goes higher and higher, and when you pick up speed, the orange light will go higher and higher. Do follow these steps to go into the system settings in order to change your interior lightings from engine speed to ambient light. To go back to the standby screen, you just have to press this menu button, and then you will notice that the light ring is a stagnant color. So to make it rotate by its own, what you just need to do is to look up at the roof here and press this key for about 5 seconds until these two lights flashes, and then you can let go. It's flashed, and then you can let go of this toggle button, and you will notice your light ring rotating colors on its own. The ambient lightings really add a character to the interior of the Mini. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.